Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Still widespread showers, rain, higher elevations, snow. We had a bit of a break in Medford, but the rain just about to move back in. Also a thunderstorm popping up in far northern Curry County. We will see the coverage of rain and snow showers kind of dwindle a bit later on tonight, especially after midnight. Temperatures this hour, we're at 49 in Medford, 37 degrees in Klamath Falls, 42 in Montague. Snow levels will settle to around 3,000 to about 2,500 feet later on tonight, and expect some slippery and snowy travel in our higher elevations as some of this shower activity lingers. Down to 38 tonight in Medford, tumbling down to 29 in Klamath Falls and 33 in Wairika. Still breezy for much of the region. Winds will be blustery for tomorrow, but they're really going to crank up later tomorrow into tomorrow night as the next storm system really starts to ramp up for the region. Expect a cloudy day overall, up to 51 degrees in Medford, 43 in Klamath Falls. The coverage of rain and higher elevation snow will increase as we go throughout the day, as well as the intensity, especially towards the coast. Look at the high wind warnings that we have in place for later Saturday on through Sunday for the coast. Lake County as well, gusts up to 75 miles per hour possible, and then south winds could gust up to 60 miles per hour in the Shasta Valley. Now, snow levels will be going up as we go through the weekend, starting off around 3,000 feet or so tomorrow morning, but they will be climbing, notice that, by Sunday morning up to about 5,000 to 5,500 feet. So it's really going to be the Cascade passes, our higher passes in the region, especially above 5,000 feet, where we're going to see the highest snowfall amounts. Snow levels do come back down later Sunday into Sunday night. Here's how things play out with Stormcast. Notice how things kind of wane when it comes to rain and snow showers, but things ramp up with this atmospheric river later tomorrow. Look at the moderate to heavy rainfall towards the coast. We'll see very heavy snow, especially up towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake. This is just going to keep going, and you add strong winds on top of that, we're going to see whiteout conditions for some of our Cascade passes. Very soggy on Sunday, but notice things really start to wind down by later Sunday evening into Sunday night. We'll still have some wet weather into St. Patrick's Day, though. Winter storm warnings in place in many of our higher elevations, especially above 4,500 feet. Some of the heaviest snowfall amounts will be in the Cascades. You can get more details on all these weather alerts, of course, on KDRV.com. But we're looking at up towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake, maybe as much as 3 to 4 feet of snow. Some significant snow for Chemult, over a foot, but fairly light snow amounts expected for places like Klamath Falls, and Mount Shasta only looking at about 3 to 6 inches of snow. When it comes to rainfall totals, the highest amounts definitely going to be west of the Cascades, and because of this heavier rainfall as well as snowmelt, we're going to be concerned about the risk for flooding on rivers and streams this weekend, as well as low-lying areas as well as urban areas. So heavy rain for the coast, strong winds this weekend. Northern California, rain, higher elevation snow, some of it heavy at times. It stays active right through St. Patrick's Day. The Klamath Basin, rain and snow. Snow levels will be going up a bit, though, especially into Saturday night, but coming back down later Sunday. The mountains, very difficult travel with heavy snow, blowing snow, whiteout conditions possible, and it's going to be a soggy weekend in the Rogue Valley with that flooding concern.